My father liked to tinker around in his spare time and was especially good at spotting right away where something was missing. At that time, Munich was occupied by the Americans, and he found an old gas lamp in the attic. When he got it working again, ours was the only building in the whole neighborhood to have light. I was involved from the very start. My first job was to stick stamps on envelopes. To this day, I can recall how the stamps tasted. Truman was the U.S. president at the time. It was he who made Germany's industrialization possible through the Marshall Plan. So my father named his company Truma in honor of Truman.
Truma manufactures heating systems, air conditioning, and products for hot water and gas supply. We also produce caravan movers. The company's headquarters are in Putzbrunn near Munich. Here, all areas are in one place: research and development, production, storage, administration, and naturally, customer service. We operate worldwide. Truma distributes products throughout Europe, China, the US, and Australia. My grandfather invented the first officially recognized caravan heating system in 1961. We proudly carry on his legacy and continue to set new standards. We develop in agile teams based on experience and vast quantities of data. Today, our solutions go around the world, but I'd say the spirit is still the same. We develop smart network systems and solutions that make camping easier and more comfortable. We continue to produce in Germany. Truma is made in Germany. We have very highly qualified employees and state-of-the-art facilities. With our fully automatic friction welding system, for example, we manufacture the heat exchanger, the core of our heaters. In our climate chambers, we also simulate diverse climatic conditions, from the North Pole to the tropics.
Not only do we test our products in our laboratories, but we also go out into the field. Truma has its own vehicles and motorhomes and lends them to us employees, so we know exactly what matters, and above all, what is important for our customers. I myself am just back from a 2-week trip through Croatia with a Truma motorhome.
Quality is our top priority. We fully test every single piece of equipment. Only when everything fits 100% do we approve it for sale. My staff work independently and get involved. Every day we discuss the state of affairs and the most important key figures. This ensures smooth operation. Of course, this only works with a well-oiled team. At Truma, a mixture of long-standing and young employees. Customer service has always had a very special significance at Truma. In 1972, we became the first company in the industry to set up our own service organization with mobile service technicians. Our 8 employees from the Truma Service Hotline take around 600 calls from customers every day. They provide expert advice, clarify questions over the phone, and coordinate appointments. We have our own service workshop at company headquarters. Here we install, repair, and give advice on Truma equipment. We are deployed throughout Germany with our service vehicle. We go wherever customers need us, to the campsite or their home. Our customers really appreciate this service. They are happy to have their equipment working again. Innovations are possible if we provide scope for new ideas, for lateral thinking and testing. In other words, if we provide a modern, inspiring working atmosphere worldwide. For us, operating successfully means operating sustainably. We produce our own green electricity. We have electric cars in our vehicle pools, and much more. Truma has continuously evolved from an equipment manufacturer into a digital solutions provider. Then as now, we have always had one thing in our sights: to enable the best for our customers and staff.